Is ComfyUI running slow, or are you worried about your computer overheating during a long render? Hi everyone, I'm Cao2025, and today I'm going to show you how to add a real-time hardware monitor to your ComfyUI menu. You'll be able to see your GPU usage, VRAM, and temperature at a single glance, so you never have to guess what's happening under the hood. To do this, we are going to use a fantastic custom node called ComfyUI-Crystools. It's the easiest way to keep your system safe and optimized while you create. Let's get it installed. Open your ComfyUI Manager, click on Custom Nodes Manager. In the search bar, type Crystools, find ComfyUI-Crystools and click Install. Restart your ComfyUI completely after installing new nodes for them to take effect. Once you restart, look at your top menu. You'll see a new bar showing GPU and VRAM. This is the most important for us. It tells you how much brain power your graphics card has left. CPU and RAM, how your main computer memory is handling the load. Temperature, to make sure your PC stays cool while working. You can actually tweak this to fit your style. Click the settings gear icon and scroll down to Crystools. Look for refresh per second. The default is 0.5, which updates the info every 2 seconds. If you want it to be super fast, you can increase this or set it to 0 to pause it. You can also hide things you don't need. If you only care about your GPU, you can uncheck the rest to keep your menu clean. That's it, now you're in full control of your hardware. If this helped you out, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Cao2025 for more easy ComfyUI guides. Thanks for watching and happy generating.